Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Animash, and yes, I am back with another unboxing video. So I haven't done an unboxing for quite some time now, so maybe the last one was like 1 year back, I can't really remember, but yeah, we have a a new watch in for review today. And the package has arrived at my house yesterday, but I can't help myself but to tear that box, tear that plastic open. But yeah, for you guys, I just waited for, you know, we're gonna be doing this together. So yeah, that is why I kind of hold myself and held myself up together, and let's do this together, right? So before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing the Seiko 5 SNKL45, a very cool and nice looking little watch that I've said in my previous video when I did review this for this particular piece. I said that this is a worth it alternative to the Sub-Zero 33, and lots of people didn't really agree with me on that, but still I think this is a very nice alternative if you don't want to fork out $500 or more for that particular piece. And it is on this Vario Italian leather strap, which for me looks very nice, right? So anyway, you see the red here, right? Today or tomorrow, or this is the season of the Chinese New Year all over the world here, of course, in Malaysia. And yeah, Kong Hi Fa Chai to my Chinese friends who maybe were watching this video while you are having your big, you know, makan or big family dinner with your family, right? So may the ox year give you a good, you know, a good year up ahead. So yeah, it's, you know, and of course with the theme of the Chinese New Year, we have a red Victorinox Swiss Army watch to do the unboxing, right? So let's get my very super dull dull knife here to open this package. So let's see what's inside, right? So just hope that I don't hit the camera. Oh yeah, very nice sleeve pack here. We have a tons of bubble wrap here, so I'm not really sure how this is going to take, right? So let's just tear that part open. I think it's gonna be here. Let's just hope that I don't damage the box, right? So let's see what we've got here. Oop, it's the other way around, right? It's the other way around. Let's just do that and tear the box open, right? So let's just put this one back in together so that I don't hurt myself. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have we have a white Seiko box. Let's just put that aside. So what did I get, right? So this is a Seiko box. What Seiko are we talking about, right? So okay, so where is it? Okay, so already have given it away. So SNK381K1. So what is it then? So it is another, of course, if you see SNK, it means that it is a Seiko 5 line. So we have your usual Seiko sign warranty there, 7S26 movement. There's a serial number over there, and that's it inside there. Okay, so let's put that one aside. And are you ready? 3, 2, 1, boom. All right, so this is the, I don't think that this model received quite a lot of attention from any YouTube community or any YouTubers for that matter, but I do think that this is an awesome piece to consider if you are looking for a Seiko 5 with a little bit of that military vibe to it, right? So let's take it out of this pillow and put that away. And yep, you can see immediately that the thing that made me wanted to get this one is because of that very beautiful military style dial here. We've got Arabic numerals from 12 up, 12, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we have that very unique hand or leaf hand style in my opinion, and we have that matte black dial. So if you compare it to this one has a dark gray with the sunburst style, and you can see that the case of this SNK L45 is the exact same case that is being used on the SNK 381, which is one of the reasons why I like this version, right? So this reference number, right? So of course, let's do that Seiko shake. right? So shake to give it power, and let's see if I can change the, of course it is not a hacking movement, so you're not gonna see the second hand stop, but let's see the adjusting. Okay, so there's nothing weird there. And the date change, okay, yeah, we have a Spanish and English date wheel. So today is now is almost 8:44. So let's oops, I've just 8:40, no, 8:54, right, 8:54. Let's set it over there, and boom. Yeah. Oh, let's just try the date. 12, and oh yeah, Friday, right? Quite a nice crown there, and at the back we've got this of course 7S26 movement there, and this bracelet, right? So this bracelet features looks somewhat of a Jubilee style bracelet with the jingly pattern here, and of course this is a folded link. You're not gonna get any, you know, what do you call that, any real solid links here. And of course we have this very nasty stump clasp, and we have again another plastic cover covering this area. So at the back we I think there is a plastic over there. I will take that off later, but yeah, still check out that beautiful dial. For me, it is one of the main reason why I've got this model instead of other Seiko 5 models in this line, and I just love the case design. Oh, there is a frame date window there, right? So that is new. So this one doesn't have any frame date window. Okay, so that's nice. This one does have a frame date window. That's kind of interesting. I didn't really notice that, right? So of course we have a polished bezel here, and a brushed surface here, and a polished side profile here, chamfering here, and of course a polished side here, stainless steel 316L steel. And let's see how the loom is performing. Let's just charge it up a bit. Oh, the reference number is Seiko SNK 381K1 7S26. And let's see if we turn off the light. Oops. Okay, so that is not bad at all, right? So I am going to be testing this watch during the night and charge it before I sleep, and let's see how if it is strong as your normal Seiko Lumibrite. Yeah, but still. So if you guys have any questions about this particular piece, please go ahead and give me a question, or if you already own this particular watch, please give me your opinion on how this watch how you use this watch from day to day. And if you guys like this style of unboxing video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.